So it is here, guys. It's finally here. Porn is now coming to Jamaica. Well, I don't know about you guys, but me they tired for watching overseas porn. So we don't need to watch the Chinese, the Indians, the British, the Latins. Yeah, you know all of them. You know all of them. You watch porn. You know all of them. So finally, our Jamaican girl are gonna hit us with something new. We're gonna finally get to see our own Jamaican girl in Jamaican porn. Wait. Pause video. We figured this out due to the way our Jamaican girl treat the social media. Well, them post nudes. Me follow most of the girls that post nudes. Them post nudes. We're gonna follow them. So it was then that I realized. So sooner or later, nudes not gonna be the swing anymore. Girls are gonna tired for taking nudes, so they're gonna just turn over to something new to get their likes and comment them going. So they're gonna start make porn.
Bad bitches is the only thing.
Well, I get to see our own Jamaican girl them participate in a porn in Jamaica. So all of them nice girls we will see what we want to have sex with on Instagram and can't have sex with them. We can't stay right in our house at home and do that. As long as we have the tools of the trade, we can stay right in our house and just have sex with all of them. So gentlemen, let's just prepare ourselves. Let's just get equipped, prepare yourself and sit back and enjoy as porn come right to us here in Jamaica. If you enjoyed the video, just watch, then give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be the first person to watch my videos when they are out, then subscribe. Until then, peace.
She said she love me, whatever that hell no. Do me a favor, say that shit. Like bad kids, bitch, we reckless.